Hello, my beautiful people. Hello, all my old subscribers and the new ones. Thank you for stopping by. I love you all. In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to make special kunu. This is the season for it. So, like this channel, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to this channel, subscribe so that you'll not miss any of our videos. Thank you. Yeah, guys, making this special kunu. This is my um, recipe. This is my kidney corn that I'm using. I'm using white kidney corn here. You may use the red one, but here I'm using white. Then this is clove for my spice. This rice seed. This rice seed will help the kunu to be light, not thick, not so thick. Then this another spice here, the ginger. So you may use fresh ginger, but I always prefer dry ginger. And my sweetener here is sweet potato, the one with pinkish. Is it pink? Yes. This is the one that is always very sweet. So when you are picking your sweetener, the potato, look for this special one. This is why I call it special kunu. Then I have my millet here. This is 4 cups of millet. This is 4 cups. And 4 cups of kidney corn. So the next thing we are going to do here is to wash them. Wash them very well to avoid sand. So you start by washing them. Wash it very well with a clean water. As you are pouring it into the water, you see the one floating. That means those ones are not good. See it now. You stir it. Then pack the bad ones. You pack the bad ones out. The one that is floating now is not good. So you pack it out to give you a nice kunu. And we are going to wash it up to 3 times to avoid sand. So after washing all We are going to wash the spice separate. Wash it with plenty of water. We are washing it separate because we are blending it separate. I'm going to wash it about 2 times, then allow it to soak for at least 20 minutes before blending because it's dry. You can hear it is very dry. So after finishing the washing, we pour it into a clean water and soak it for 20 minutes before blending it. We allowed it to soak before blending it. So after blending it, we boil water, then pour into it and stir it, allow it to cold before sieving. Watch it to the end. See you. So we are going to blend this. We are blending the spice and the potato separate. We mix them together. So we are not mixing it with the millet and the kidney corn. This is separate. So we are going to blend it now. So after blending it, you see how it is. So we are going to add hot water to it. We are pouring our hot water. See that. This is the spice. So we will pour into it. Then cover it. So we need a clean sieve like this cloth sieve to sieve it. So I'm going to sieve it now. So that is how I'm going to sieve it until it is done. So we are done with the kunu. So it's just to package it now into the bottles and put it in the freezer or fridge and be taking it. That's the chaff. You throw away the chaff or you give it to domestic animal like goats.